Cut 8 3 1/2 inch background squares, 8 2.5 inch scrappy fabric squares for the star points, 4 2-inch squares for the center 4 patch. Take 4 of your 3.5 inch background squares and 4 of your 2.5 inch scrappy squares. Align the scrappy square to the lower right corner of the background square, right sides together. Sew the 4 sets together from corner to corner. Cut the corners, leaving about a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You can do this precisely with rotary cutters if you wish. Press with an iron to set the seams. Press the seams to the dark side. Gather the remaining 4 2.5 inch scrappy squares. Align to the left corner as shown, right sides together, sew from corner to corner. Clip off the extra fabric as we did before. Set the seams, press with an iron. Press the seams to the dark side. Lay out the 4 2-inch squares for the 4 patch, place right sides together, and then sew. Adjust your final layout and pin where we will sew the seams. out the rows just sewn together. Row 1, pressing all the seams up. Second row, pressing them down, and then third row back up. So I'm just alternating directions so that when we sew these rows together, we can nest the seams. Pin the rows together. We're going to sew 1/4 inch seam allowance where we have pinned. Press the seams. And now we have a pretty cool looking Scrappy twin star quilt block. I think this is a fantastic use for small scraps of fabric. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.